Hey class, Mrs. Lowe here again. This is the third video in Chapter 5, solving quadratics, and this one's using the square root method. You know this is an appropriate method to use if you're missing the linear term, that is the term with just the variable x. So if you're missing the bx term in the standard form, this is standard form of a quadratic. If you're missing this term, then the square root method is an appropriate method. And in this case, it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the x squared term by itself. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So I have 2x squared equals 50. And I'm going to isolate the x squared. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So I have x squared equals 25. And now you can just think of it in common sense. Two numbers that multiply together give you 25. Well, that's 5. Well, that's not the only number. Negative 5. 5 and negative 5. Now, if you're to show you the work for that, basically what you're doing is you're taking the square root of both sides, because that's the inverse operation for squaring. And whenever you take the square root, you must put a plus minus in front on that right-hand side, because there are two numbers that multiply together that give you 25, 5 and negative 5. So make sure you show this step appropriately and you put a plus and minus in front of it, the right-hand side when you take the square root. So our two solutions are 5 and negative 5. You could also solve this by using the graphic display calculator or by factoring, or square root method is very fast as well. Hopefully that helps.